Little Blue Truck's Halloween, written by Alice Schertle.
Hey, I love that.
Alice Schertle.
Little Blue Truck and his good friend Toad are going to a party just down the road.
Whoa!
Beep, beep, beep,
Says Little Blue. It's Halloween. You come too. Who's that in a tutu striking a pose, up on the tiniest tips of her toes? Under the mask, who do you see?
Let's do it together, got it? Quack, says the duck. It's me, it's me.
Who's this clown with a big red nose and a cap that jingles wherever he goes? Under the mask, who do you see?
Bah, says the sheep. It's me, it's me.
Who's this queen with the golden crown and sparkling jewels and a velvet gown? Under the mask, who do you see?
Moo, says the cow. It's me, it's me.
Moo!
Moo.
What scraggly hair! What funny teeth! Who is hiding underneath? Under the mask, who do you see?
Oink, says the pig. It's me, it's me.
There's a fancy feather on the pirate's hat. Who's dressed up in a hat like that? Under the mask, who do you see?
Cluck, says the hen. It's me, it's me. Let's just say, cluck, says the hen. It's me, it's me.
A dragon's head and dragon wings. Who's that wearing those dragon things? Under the mask, who do you see?
Nay, says the horse. It's me, it's me.
Croak, says Toad. There's just one more. Has anyone seen this ghost before?
Let's do it all together.
Off comes the sheep. It's you know who. Little Blue Truck says, beep, beep, boo.
Cool!
Happy Halloween! OBKidz!
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up.
Subscribe, click the bell, and visit us on OBKidz.com for more. See you soon! OBKidz!